Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can build absolutely anything in Webflow, from beautiful landing pages to complex interactive sites. The possibilities here are truly endless. Whether you're a total beginner or you've dabbled in web design before, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to kickstart your next big idea using Webflow's powerful tools. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Webflow.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, it's free to get started and their sign-up process is super simple. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with an option to create a new site. Click on New Site. You'll be greeted with some choices here, and this is where Webflow really shines when it comes to flexibility. Now at this stage, you have a few different paths to choose from. You can either start with a blank site, which gives you a totally clean slate to design from scratch. This is great if you already have a vision in your head or want full creative freedom, like an artist staring at a blank canvas. But if you want a little guidance, you can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates. These can help you get a jump start. It's like moving into a new apartment where the walls are freshly painted and the furniture's already arranged, and you just get to tweak it to your liking. And if you want to take another shortcut, there's the AI Site Builder. This uses artificial intelligence to quickly set up the basic structure of your site based on the needs you describe. It's perfect for anyone who wants something customized but doesn't want to start totally from scratch. For today's tutorial, let's go ahead and pick a template, since it really shows how you can build on a strong foundation while still making a site truly your own. So browse through the templates Webflow offers. There are tons of categories: business, portfolio, blogs, online stores, you name it. Take your time here, look at the layouts, the styles, and don't be afraid to preview them. When you find one that stands out, just click Use Template. Now don't worry if at this point you're unsure about the template you picked. You can always change things extensively later on. That's one of Webflow's awesome strengths. Once your template loads, you'll enter the Webflow Designer. This is where the magic happens. On the left side, you'll see the Add Elements panel. This is your toolbox. From here, you can drag and drop anything you need onto your page: headings, paragraphs, images, videos, sliders, forms, and so much more. Think of this like building with Lego bricks. You can pick and place the exact pieces you need, stack them, move them around, and even style them to fit your vision perfectly. Expand on your template by adding new sections, rearranging content, and customizing styles. Experiment. Want to add an interactive button or a sign-up form? Just drag it over. Want to showcase your portfolio or create an eye-catching hero section? The Add Elements panel has got your back. The more you play around with it, the more comfortable you'll get, and soon you'll realize that you really can build anything you imagine here. And honestly, that's all it takes to get started. Jumping in with a template, exploring the Add Elements panel, and customizing things as you go, that's the key to unlocking all of Webflow's creative potential. So there you have it. Now you know just how simple and powerful building anything in Webflow can be. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and deep dives into Webflow and web design. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.